Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems related to races and games of skill. We shall check the concepts. For example, in a 100-meter race, if you are saying A can give B a start of 12 meter or A can give B 12 meter, means that while A runs 100 meters, B runs 100 minus 12, that is 88 meters. For example, if there is a 100-meter track, A starts from the starting point, B will be starting 12 meter ahead of A. This gap will be 12 meter. This is the end point and the total distance will be 100 meter. Okay. In the next case, if they are saying in a 100-meter race, if A beats B by 15 meter, it means that while A runs 100 meters, B runs only 100 minus 15, that is 85 meters. So this is the track. If A has reached here, the end point, B will be trailing behind by 15 meter, that is B will be at 85 meter from the start point. The gap will be 15 meter. So this is what means by A beats B by 15 meters. Okay. Last one. In a 100-meter race, if A beats by 10 seconds, means that while A reaches in T seconds, B reaches in T plus 1 seconds. In this case, both have reached the point, that is the end point. A reaches in T seconds, B will reach in T plus 10 seconds. It means that A beats B by 10 seconds. So this is the meaning of A reaching 10 seconds early. Okay, we shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.